The 2025 Vanquish boasts a new platform, a new V12 engine, and a new body, but some old school ideas. The Vanquish nameplate returns as the de facto replacement for the DBS, which bowed out after 2023. The new 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish will be the top model in the GT lineup, pricier and more powerful than the DB12 and the Vantage. With gorgeous carbon fiber bodywork and an 824 horsepower V12, the new Vanquish is a stunner. Inside, the Vanquish looks a lot like other current Aston Martin models, complete with a new center console filled with physical controls and a bespoke infotainment system. The infotainment system is Aston designed as well, rather than a reskinned Benz unit. A fixed glass roof is standard, but a carbon fiber roof can be specified, saving £23. Compared with the DBS, the wheelbase is 3.1 inches longer and greater than the DB12 or Vantage, with the extra length coming between the A-pillar and the front axle. A more prominent grille with 13% greater surface area enhances engine cooling, while the headlights are matrix LEDs. For now, the Vanquish is available only as a coupe. This is an unabashedly big, powerful, luxurious GT car, complete with a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12, making 824 horsepower under 214 mph top speed. Aston Martin plans to build no more than 1,000 a year, and the base price is $420,000.